Hey, first grade. I miss y'all so much. I miss our time in the technology lab. I miss coming up with new things. But I have come up with something new for us to do. We're going to be doing some coding, which we've done some coding this year with code.org. Now you get a chance to use what you learned there with a different program called Scratch Junior. If you've used Scratch Junior, you know how much fun it can be. So, but before we learn about Scratch Junior, we actually need to have a problem to solve using coding. And that problem is going to be given to us by three friends you know from Science Lab, because we're going to do some computer science. It's Angelina, Milo, and Susie. All right, animal animations, animals and algorithms. It was almost the end of the day, and Angelina, Milo, and Susie had just finished learning about different types of animals in their science class. Angelina colored a picture of a frog sitting by the edge of a pond. Milo drew a picture of a bird eating a worm. Susie finished up a picture of a bat flying into a cave. Isn't it amazing that every animal has the same basic needs, said Angelina. I know, replied Susie. I never realized that all animals need air, water, shelter, and food. My bat eats mosquitoes, and your frog eats flies, but they are both eating food. You've all done such a wonderful job with your animal pictures. Let's hang them in the hallway so everyone can see what you've learned, said their teacher, Ms. Morales. I wish the preschoolers could see our pictures, but their classrooms are on the other side of the building, said Milo. I have an idea, said Ms. Morales. What do you think about making animations to teach preschoolers about animals and their habitats? We could visit their classroom to share our animations. The students looked a little confused. What do you mean, Miss Morales? What are animations? Asked Milo. Animations are stories told with moving illustrations or drawings, said Miss Morales. I'd like you all to go home and think of an animal you'd like to be the main character in your animation. Tomorrow I'll teach you how to use your devices to create stories using pictures, color, and motion. The children were very curious about what Miss Morales had just announced. As Angelina, Milo, and Susie walked out of the classroom, they started to think about their assignment. Oh, this sounds like a problem, said Angelina. We can use the design process to help solve this problem, explained Angelina. Ms. Morales said we should think about what animal we want to use in our animation, Susie said. I learned about what bats eat and where they live. I think I could create a story about a bat. Great idea, Susie, explained Angelina. Now Milo and I have to decide which animals we want to use. It's going to be hard to pick just one, but I can't wait to explore ideas to help me decide. Would you like to create an animation about an animal like the three friends? What animal would your animation be about? Where would it live? What are its basic needs? So boys and girls, I want you to be thinking about those questions, jot down some ideas, and we'll get started with our next activity as soon as you're ready.